Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the new trending depth map effect in After Effects, just like this.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all of...
Open After Effects. As you can see, I've already arranged all my clips here. Before adding the depth effect, let's first add a smooth zoom-in effect to these two clips to make the final result look better. First, select the clip and create an adjustment layer above it. Then go to the Effects panel and search for S_blur curves and apply it to the adjustment layer. Now create the Z-dist keyframes and follow my settings and graph exactly as shown on screen to get a smooth zoom-in effect. Once you're done, simply copy the same adjustment layer to the other clip, and our zoom-in effect is ready. Now let's add the trending depth map effect. Create a new adjustment layer above all the clips, then go to the Effects panel and search for BCC Depth Map ML. Apply the effect to the adjustment layer. In the effect settings, enable the Invert option, and our depth effect is ready. To make the effect look smoother, let's animate it. At the beginning of the clip, set the adjustment layer's opacity to 0%. Then, after a few frames, increase it to 100%, so the depth effect gradually appears. And that's it. Our trending depth map effect is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple After Effects tutorials. See you in the next one.